What's up, guys? It's Saturday. The shop is super quiet. Now, you guys might remember that 200X we bought a couple months ago. My God, look how clean it is. There's no rust.
Wow.
The gas tank had a pretty nasty dent in it, so I got one of these Amazon, it was like, what, 50 bucks? Yeah. Something like that. $50 paintless dent repair kits. So the problem is I already sandblasted the paint off this tank because the thing is mint, so we're gonna powder coat it. But today, in this video, we're gonna get this gas tank as dent free as we can get it with this kit. So let's see if it works. So we got China bag. I'm so tired of made in China crap, but this is Amazon. It's basically take this very cheap glue gun, stick one of these pads on the side of the gas tank. I've got this guy here that's gonna apply some pressure. These are cute. All right, she's gonna open up the baggies. I'm gonna go get the gas tank. Let's see if we can pop this dent out. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the frame. We got this thing already powder coated. So this 200X is getting completely torn down. We're gonna do a resto mod with invert front end, custom swing arm, and all the fun stuff. Here's the frame. RJ got this thing all powder coated. Honestly, it was in really good shape. I was impressed. Subframe's not bent. Everything looks really nice. The only issue we did have was the pivot bolt was completely stuck to the swing arm. It was dry and rusted, so we cut it off. So we're gonna make a whole new swing arm. So we're gonna run CRF 150R forks on this 200X. I'm excited to build some parts for it. We're probably gonna do some foot pegs. If you guys have any interest in 200X parts, definitely comment and let me know, because we're gonna be making them. So she's getting this kit ready. Oh man, you got it all laid out for me. Look at this.
All plugged in.
Already plugged in. We got the glue gun. You want to just not even read the directions and just give it a try? So,
Use the black one, or?
Oh man.
One's probably like got more strength than the other.
Let's try the black one.
Okay, I'm just gonna try that one. Guys, do that.
Okay, so here's the gas tank, guys. It's actually mint inside. There's absolutely no rust in this thing, but we've got a little dinger right here. Got a little puck right here. I'm not too worried about that. A couple little ones here. I just want to get this out. I'm going to powder coat it and we're going to put new stickers on it. It's going to look mint. The powder coat will actually fill some of this. In the past, I have powder coated a lot of gas tanks, so when you run into something like this, you can actually just spot powder coat. So you can put it thick there, and actually sand it and then do a second coat. We might end up doing that on this gas tank. It might take 2 or 3 coats to get it right. So, all right, I'm gonna set up the time-lapse camera, or maybe just the side shot over here. You can kind of get that angle. Got my lovely assistant here, the wifey. Don't burn your fingers. It will be hot as shit. All right, just for the hell of it, what was the cure time on here? Read the instructions here, as Scott would say. Choose a suitable glue tab. It looked pretty suitable. Oh man, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, we'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Welcome back. Okay, so this thing, don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, let's try it. Again, never really done this. You can kind of see it starting to pull. Just gonna go slow. Ooh, dude, pulled it. Nice. It pulled it. Wow. Okay.
That's awesome.
So it popped it out there. It's still right here though, which is fine.
I have those yellow things.
Yeah.
You can try to scrape
You
underneath
know
it.
yellow things?
I don't know how well they work, but.
Oh man, she's on there. Hell yeah. Pulled half the dent.
Nice.
I'm excited.
Amazon for the win.
So, just to recap, started with this one, it did not work. Poor choice, and it was a poor choice. This guy's got these little, looks like the tread pattern of a tire. Maybe that's why. I also went a little heavy on the glue, so let's try getting this one out now. Man, she's extra hot now.
That's good.
She's messy. Okay. I am surprised how well that did.
That's awesome.
All right, I'm gonna check this camera and see if we caught that or not. So just to be fancy, let's act like we're welding. Stack some dents here. Just trying to work it. Actually, yeah, not too bad. I would definitely recommend going over the edges. I actually put a lot of pressure on there. Wow, not freaking bad. I'm honestly surprised it's actually, it could be because I etched it and might be why it's sticking extra better. Why it's sticking extra better. Try to use some English today. Okay, hopefully this is the last round. I'm ready to call it a day on this. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna hit this with the sandblaster just so we can do it before and after. It's also gonna show me if there's any other spots that need to get repaired. At least you can see the difference. That is a big difference. You guys can see. I'll insert a clip of how it looked before. But pop the dent just about a 1/4 inch out. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna continue on off camera. I'm gonna just pull a couple more of these out and get this thing sent to powder coat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I always enjoy doing some how-to videos every once in a while. So comment below if you guys did like the video. If there's anything else you want to see, I can show some tips in a future video of how we actually fill those small pucks with powder coat. So comment if you want to see that, and stay tuned for the next video. If you guys have an idea for a how-to video that you want to see, definitely comment and let me know. See you guys soon.
Huh?